want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning back into my channel, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul. It's kind of a short little haul, kind of, but not really, but kind of. So I'm going to be showing y'all what I bought from the TikTok shop. TikTok shop has been really forcing its way down everybody's throat, and I was like, I'm going to be so gung-ho on not buying anything from TikTok. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm pretty sure this is, if you have TikTok, this has been popping up all over your For You page. I know. I was suckered into buying it. I haven't even really started it. Part of it is like reading. This is basically like a self-help book for you to like work through trauma and just certain stuff like that. I didn't specifically buy this through the TikTok shop, but I'm including this in this haul because I saw it on TikTok and I ended up buying it through Amazon because I was skeptical of buying stuff through the TikTok shop because it had like just opened. Next, I got this fabric. This looks a little wild, but this is like to help shave your fabric or on your clothes, if that makes sense. So like I used it last night, it works really well. So you know how you have like pants and like the crotch area gets a little rough and it starts like beating up and stuff? You can like use this to like shave, not like shave as in like putting a hole in your clothes, but it'll like shave the rough parts off your clothes. I used it on 2 different pairs of pants last night and it's like I got a new pair of pants. Very strong, and so it'll catch it in this little part right here, and then once it gets full, you just slide it off. Just slide it off, empty it. Ooh. I'm trying to do this on camera so it's not looking as smooth, but you just slide it back on. And great investment of my money. I will say that this was $5 and I did not look at the shipping because this came from somewhere overseas. I paid $5 for it, but in total I ended up paying like $7 for shipping, and I guess I didn't pay attention to that when I bought it. So I got 4 things of makeup, all from One Size Beauty. First, I got the Secure the Blur primer. Then I got the On Till Dawn setting spray. I used this for this makeup look. I also used the setting spray. The setting spray, I like it. I don't love it, and the only reason I don't love it is because of the fragrance. When you spray it, the fragrance and the smell is just so strong and overpowering that I was coughing and choking. If Patrick can make a version of this without the fragrance, I would love it through and through. Fragrance is strong as hell, so if you haven't tried it yet and you plan on getting it, that's just a heads up. Then I got the Turn Up the Base concealer. This is in the shade Dark 1N. I had to change my battery and my memory card got full. I used it today under my eye and I really like it. The color, I was a little scared about the color because I ordered this online, which I'm not the best at ordering colors that I've never seen like in person online, but this actually turned out pretty good, and I love the applicator as well. The applicator is like a doe foot, really like that. And then last thing I got from One Size is the ultimate setting powder. I also used this under, well, I used it all over my face. This is in the shade Translucent. I was debating on whether or not I wanted to get this, or I think One Size has a pink shade of this powder, so I was debating on whether or not I wanted to get this or the pink one, because I've seen people with like my skin tone and even people darker than me that use it and it turns out looking really pretty. Last but not least, I've been following this brand for a minute. I was like, okay, it's the time, let me just try it out. This is from Skincare Bakery, so they do a lot of like skincare stuff. So I got, this is called the Hot Girl Sauce. So it's like a body oil. As y'all can see, it has glitter in it. One thing to know about me, I'm not a fan of glitter. It looks pretty, but it's hard as hell to try to get glitter to come off. But you shake this up. I put this on after I got out the shower. This, and I mixed it with something else that I'm gonna show you in a second. But it's not too much glitter at all. I don't even think y'all can see it. You can see that I'm moisturized, but the glitter, like, it's not hard to come off, and it's not like chunky glitter. I really like this, and it has like a vanilla scent as well. It smells really good. Like, it smells yummy. It makes you smell like cake. These are all from Skincare Bakery as well. I got some of their body butters. So I got this one. Can't remember the names of the scents and stuff, so I'll probably have them on the screen, but I got this one. Camera is not doing it justice. I haven't used this one yet. There it is. Y'all see how beautiful that is? So this one smells like vanilla. This must be like vanilla something. I know I'm blurry, but I'm trying to do this so y'all can see. I think this one is like pear something. I'm sorry if my nails look dirty. I have like makeup, like foundation, like on and under my nails, but got this one. I think this is like pear or something. I'm surprised I got this, but it smells pretty good. This is what this one's looking like. And this one has like glitter in it as well, but it's not like chunky glitter, it's like fine glitter. And last but not least, the one that I've been using the most, I got 2 of these because I bought one for my mama for Christmas. I got 2 of these. This is mine. This is the one I've been using. And baby, I mix it with the body oil that I just showed y'all, or the hot girl sauce right here. Y'all can kind of see this a little better as well. So I just shake this up before I use it, and y'all see how good this looks? This looks so delicious. This looks like something that you would like eat. You can kind of see what it looked like a little bit right here. As you can see, I put a pretty big dent in it. But yeah, that's everything that I've ordered from the TikTok shop. I am very happy with everything that I've gotten. I'm just going to limit myself. I've seen a bunch of other stuff on the TikTok shop. I'm like, oh, that's cute. I have to have some self-restraint, okay? But speaking of TikTok, follow me over there on TikTok. I have 2 separate accounts. I have my beauty account, and then I also have my gaming account. I'm more active on my gaming account right now, but I plan to, like, you know, balance it out. Still working on it. But follow me on TikTok. And thank y'all for watching this video. Thumbs up, subscribe. I shall see y'all in my next video. Oh, if you order from the TikTok shop, let me know what you got and if you liked it. That way I can check it out, you know, see if I can add it to my wish list. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video.